Let me tell you about the most dangerous document in DevOps. It's not code, it's not infrastructure, it's not even a dashboard. It's a postmortem. Not because postmortems are bad, but because most postmortems feel productive while changing absolutely nothing. Today's incident is not about outage, it's about what happened after the outage when everyone thought the problem was handled. If these real production stories help you think like an on call engineer, like the video and subscribe. I am running a 30-day real DevOps incident series. People who follow along and comment their thinking will receive a free DevOps simulation ebook. Alright, let's talk about what really happens after incidents. The outage ends, systems are back, stress level drop. Someone says, we need a post mortem. A document gets created, it has a timeline, it has a root cause, action items, owners, a due date. Everyone nods, everyone feels responsible, everyone believes we learned from this. And yet, 3 months later, the same incident happens again. Here's the uncomfortable truth: most postmortems don't exist to fix systems, they exist to close emotional discomfort. They help people feel relieved, professional, compliant. But feeling better is not the same as getting better. A postmortem that makes everyone comfortable usually makes nothing safer. Let's talk about root cause, because this is where most postmortems die. Real incidents rarely have one root cause, they have contributing factors, missing guardrails, bad assumptions, human hesitation, historical decisions. But writing all that is uncomfortable. So teams compress into one sentence. The root cause was X. That sentence feels neat and it's usually a lie. Now let's talk about action items. Add more monitoring, improve alerting, update documentation. Be more careful next time. These are not fixes, they are promises. And promises don't survive pressure. If an action item doesn't change how the system behaves, it will not prevent the next incident. From the business side, the story looks simple. Incident happened, incident fixed, postmortem written, action items tracked, leadership moves on. But the system didn't change. The incentives didn't change. The ownership didn't change. So the risk is still there, just quieter. Teams don't repeat incidents because they are lazy. They repeat incidents because priorities shift. Pressure returns. Speed beats safety. Memory fades. And because the postmortem didn't change who can do what in the system, knowledge without structural change is forgotten under load. Strong postmortems don't ask what went wrong, they ask what allowed this to happen. Allowed this to happen. They don't produce documents, they produce constraints. Example: limits, safeguard, ownership, reduce blast radius. The goal is not learning, the goal is making failure harder. This is day 20 challenge. You are reviewing a postmortem. It looks professional. Everyone agrees, but something feels off. What is the one question you ask to decide if postmortem actually matter? Is it what changed in the system? What can no longer happen? What behavior is now possible? There is no single correct answer here. I care about how you evaluate learning under pressure. If this episode felt uncomfortably real, like this video so YouTube shows it to more engineers. Comment your thinking and subscribe because next we talk about on call burnout and how Tired engineers create dangerous systems.